and good morning to all my dear wonders. Children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. And children, here is a ma'am with a new video of concept. Children, you all might be thinking that ma'am has come with a new video of concept. That means it should be maths. But you all are wrong. Children, tell me how many concepts we have learned in English. We have learned sound words and one concept, that was one and many. And today we are going to learn how to use in, on and.
Use in, on, and.
Children, now let's learn in, on and. And now ma'am is showing you something. Come on, fold your fingers like this, everybody, like this, and say in. In means under. The milk is in the mug. In, I say in. And the mug is on the table. Table के ऊपर है. On the table. And mug and a cup. A book and a pencil. When we have two things together, we use and. We say a book and a pen. Okay, children? Now, one more time, do the sign. In. In. On. Say again. In. On. And. Okay, children? And to understand this concept very clearly, let's do one activity.
Let's see few examples. Now, can you see this? What is this? Yes, this is a book. Yes, this is a book. And what is this? This is a bag. So, where is the book just now? Book is besides the bag. Bag के बाजू में है. So, we will say a book and a bag. Understood, kids? A book and a bag. Bag के बाजू में है. So, it is a book and a bag. Now, let's see another example. Now, if I ask you, I am keeping this book here. Now, let's see. What am I doing? Where I am keeping this book? Now, where is the book? This book is in the bag. Yes, kids, this book is in the bag. Understood? Now, let's see. Now, if I ask you, where is the book? Now, where is the book? What is the position of a book? This book is on the bag. Bag के ऊपर रखी है. Okay? Now, let's see another example. This is a jar. This is a ball. Now, if I ask you, where is the ball? The ball is besides the jar. So, we will say a ball and a jar. Now let's see. What is the position of a ball? If I keep this ball, let me open this lid. Now, if I keep this ball here, now where is the ball? This ball is in the jar. Ball jar के अंदर है. Okay? Now let's see. What is this? Yes, lid के ऊपर रखा. This ball is on the jar. Understood, kids? On the jar. The position is on the jar. So, understood now?
Concept of in, on, and. Let's take our first example. What is this? Yes, it's a hut. Kids, till now you already know how to read the spellings of sound words. So, try to read it on your own. Okay? Which is the other picture? Yes, it's a cot. And where is the cot? Cot कहाँ पर है? तो cot hut के अंदर है. अंदर means in. So, how will you form the sentence? A cot in a hut. Right, children? Let's take the other example. What is this? Yes, it's a log. And here you can see a dog. And where is the dog sitting? Dog कहाँ पर बैठा है? तो dog log के ऊपर बैठा है. ऊपर यानी on. So, what will you say? A dog on a log. Got it? Now here, what can you see? Yes, it's a van. Here, it's a bus. Van, bus. Both are together. दोनों साथ में है. तो हम क्या बोलेंगे? Van और bus. और यानी and. So when two things are together, we use the word and. So what will you say? A van and a bus. right? Now look, there is a mat, right? And here there is a hen, and a hen is standing on a mat. Hen mat के ऊपर है. So what will we say? A hen on a mat. Now look here. There is a boy. Here there is a man. Boy, man, दोनों साथ में है. They are together. And for that, what do we use? Yes, and. So a boy and a man. Right, children? Here you can see a pen, and there is a jar. And where is the pen? Yes, pen jar के अंदर है. So what will we say? अंदर को क्या बोलेंगे? in. So a pen in a jar. Now kids, help ma'am to fill in the blank space. Okay, this is a box, and here there is a rat. And where is the rat? Is it in a box, on a box, or they are together? What will you write in the blank space? Can you tell me? Yes, it is on a box. So you will write on in the blank space. Now, this is a tub, and here there is a pig. And where is the pig? Is it in a tub, on a tub, or they are together? Yes, it is in a tub. So you will write in a blank space. And now, last example. What is this? It's a cup. And here there is a mug. And is the cup in a mug, on a mug, or they are together? Yes, they are together. So you will write and in the blank space. Got it, children?
Let's begin our exercise. First, we will write our heading. USEUs, then in / on / and. This is our heading. Okay, see the picture inside the margin, a mat or cat. Okay, what can you see here? Let's read the sentence first. A cat dash a mat. So see here, cat mat के ऊपर बैठा है. ऊपर means what? हम लोग क्या लिखेंगे? Yes, on means ऊपर. Cat mat के ऊपर बैठा है, right? Again put a cross, leave the whole line and go for the next picture. See here, a jar, inside that a nut, a NUT nut dash a JAR jar. So अंदर है, jar के अंदर है nut. क्या लिखेंगे हम लोग उसके लिए? Yes, in means अंदर. Okay children? Again put a cross and leave the whole line. See the picture, a bun, a gun. Both are together, past. तो हम लोग क्या लिखेंगे? A BUN bun dash a GUN gun. तो हम लोग क्या लिखेंगे? Yes, and means together, साथ में. Okay? So next picture is, yes, a cup, a pen. पेन कप के अंदर है. अ PN पेन डैश अ CUP कप. अंदर होते हैं तो हम लोग क्या लिखेंगे? यस, in means अंदर. ओके, नेक्स्ट अगेन पुट अ क्रॉस एंड लीव द होल लाइन and see the picture. A tree, a kite, small kite. Okay, let's read the sentence. A KITE kite dash a TREE tree. So tree के ऊपर है kite. What will you write then? Yes, on means ऊपर. Okay, next put a cross again and leave the whole line. See the picture. Yes, a pot and inside that a pin. A PIN pin dash a POT pot. अंदर है पिन. So क्या लिखेंगे हम लोग? Yes, in means अंदर. Okay, like this way children you have to do the practice for all the exercise. Okay children, do practice.
Children, I hope you all have understood the concept of in, on, and very wonderfully. So, do practice in your worksheets as well as in your book. Bye, stay home and stay safe. See you soon.